let's try this again. Railroad Riches Sheriff version. Alright, got it. Now throw down some more. Come on, big money. Big ones. Alright, we got the bonus. Come on. 420 times 2. Alright, come on, we need some help. Come on. Let's go.
Off we go!
That's no good. Come on. Help me out. Come on.
Off we go! Off we go!
There you go. Oh, darn it. Where's the doors? Come on. Alright, oh, we got the doors there. Alright.
Off we go!
I don't know if I've ever got to the top before. Come on, baby. Come on. There you go. Got to the top. All right, Steve. I need one more. Come on, one more. No, I need one more to save it. Uh-oh, what's that mean? What does that mean? Am I gonna get it? Oh, I got the gold train. Gold train featured starts after the bonus. I don't know. I've never seen that before. Come on, more. Come on, big money. Give me some doors. Uh-oh. No, don't be done. Don't be done. Oh, that's it. Okay, here we go. Let's see what this gold train is. Oh my goodness. Nope. All right, $20. No idea what this is. Okay, oh, it's just give me that, okay. Minis, $20. Come on, keep going. Another mini. All right. Woohoo! I don't even know how much I won there. $131. All right. $375 bet. Come on, let's do it. Oh, you want the... well, we wanted the bag there. No, come on, no! Don't do that. Bag. Wild. There you go. Woo, that's big. Come on, baby, come on. Fine. Last spin, back. Is that wild? No. 79 bucks. Come on. Oh, balloons. Oh, that was a trickster. That tricked me. Come on, do it. Two more, one more. Oh, it's right there. Did to me again. How'd you get up? Oh, you got over here. Come on, fool. I'm about to quit anyway. Yeah. This could be my last spin right here. Well, now I got some. Come on. Don't let me leave, dude. Don't let me leave. Last chance, so that's it.